Our aunt's here teaching us how to make a slingshot.
Choose a nice dead branch for your slingshot. Don't pick a fresh branch off a tree or it might crack. Okay, so to make the strap part of the slingshot, you need a piece of leather. We have a leather sample we're going to use. We're just going to cut it about 2 inches by 4 inches. Or you could use, like, if you have a leftover, like a strap from an old bag or something, or even a old belt that has thin flexible leather, you could use that. We'll just make it about this big. It doesn't have to be perfect. And then we're gonna hole punch a hole in each end. And that's what your elastic will attach through. The only thing to keep in mind is you want the elastics on each side of your slingshot to be even in length so that the leather part is centered. Okay, so I'll just start with these big ones. So you're not going to cut the elastic or anything, just push it through, make a loop, pull the other end through, and then I'll just pull it tight. So it's just like that. Now, like I said, I'm doubling up with these thinner elastics just for added strength. And then I'll do the same on the other side, and I might add another set of elastics. I think this will be too short. I'll test it out and see. Well, what do you think? I think it should be okay, actually. Okay, so we'll just do it like this. And now we have to attach it to the slingshot, so we're going to drill some holes in the ends of the slingshot. Okay, so we're going to saw a groove into the end of each side of the slingshot because that's what the elastic will slip into. Just about 1 centimeter deep. Sand the ends just to make them smooth. You want to use rough sandpaper for this. Just a little bit, just to smooth it up so that you don't get any splinters. And the last end here. Okay, so we're going to drill holes now that we'll push the elastic through, and I'm drilling from the outside of the slingshot in, and I'm drilling below, just below where we cut those slits in. So I started with a smaller drill bit, and now I'm going to use a slightly larger one just because it's going to be hard to push the elastic through a small hole. Same on the other side. Okay, so now we're just going to attach the elastics with the leather pouch. And it's hard to thread them through, especially because we have double elastics, so I'm just going to use the end of the skinnier bilgrit to sort of stuff them through.
Excuse me, what's a bilgrit?
Okay, so I've threaded it through, so I'm just going to pull the elastics through, slide them through that little slot that we made, pull tight from this end, and it should be secure. So now we're going to go see how the slingshot works. When you shoot it higher up, it's easier. Yes.
Oh yeah, that goes good. Okay, but it's